We've now added some new accessories for our FlexShaft machines, all the way from our K9102, K9204, and K9306 with both nylon and nylon steel brushes. So starting with the K9102, we have just the nylon brushes. The nylon steel doesn't really have that need in that small of a size. The K9204 for 2-inch, 3-inch, and 4-inch, we have both nylon and nylon steel. And for the K9306, we have nylon and nylon steel starting with 3-inch, 4-inch, all the way up to 6-inch pipes. And really what these nice things are is we have opened up some new applications with FlexShaft machines. So this is the 2-inch brush for the K9102. And what this is really great for is kind of that final cleanup. If you've got some debris stuck in the pipe and you've got water flowing, you just can't get it to go out, the brush really contacting the full surface while spinning and pushing downstream will help clear everything out. So you've also got more gentle cleaning applications here. So if you're going to go into a porcelain or you're going to go in through any kind of ceramic or really damaged pipe walls, it can really help by still contacting that surface without being as aggressive as a full chain knocker would be. Another application, relining. In the spray in place with the nylon, you can use this to actually spread the resin as you're pulling it through the pipe. So this will help in the spray relining applications. And then you also have the ability for using these as a centering guide. So putting one in front, one on the back will allow the chain knocker to stay stationary in the middle and not contact those damaged pipe walls as aggressively. As you go to the nylon steel, now you've got 50% nylon and 50% steel. And what this really is great for is a little more aggressive cleaning. So we kind of call it more like a light grinding. Inside of a PVC, you'll see it scratching the pipe wall a little bit more. Same with a cast iron in order to get it prepped for a cure-in-place lining to help adhere to that liner a lot better. Same as the nylon brushes, you can use them as a centering guide for final cleanup, helping push that debris downstream. Really great application here is after you've descaled and even with water flowing, you see those chips just sitting at the bottom of the pipe. Getting these brushes on with the chain, water flowing, and pushing everything downstream will help clear all that out, especially if you need to get every piece of that out because you're going to be putting a liner inside of that. So outside of the cleaning, the light grinding, the relining prep, and as well as final cleanup, we've opened up a lot more applications with all of our machines. And all of these brushes are available on our website. With each machine, we have a buying guide to help you select which application fits for the right size pipe and the right type of application that you need them for. And now we will be showcasing how the nylon brush can go through a porcelain toilet and effectively clean the toilet without damaging any of the surface. So real quick on the setup, we've added some tape here to extend our main sheathing assembly so that we can still have a 1/4 inch of exposed cable with our bushing here. So with the nylon brush, we've also added the retaining ring, which we have for all cable sizes. So there's 3 different models for each cable size that we have, from 1/4 inch, which we have here, 5/16 for the 204, and 3/8 for the 306. Now we'll show how you can spin through the toilet and effectively clean without damaging the walls. And now I'm through, all the way to the back, and able to clean wall to wall